Hello, everybody. Today we're going to do the word problem. And the standard we're doing is 10A 8.1 and then 10A 8.2, which is solving word problems. Okay, both of those have to do with solving word problems. So we have a word problem here. So the first thing you want to do is put your name at the top with pencil. Everything you want to do with pencil, because if you make a mistake, you can erase it. Okay, and over here you're going to put the date. Okay, whatever date you have today or this week, write it down. Okay, so I'm going to read this word problem 3 times, and we're going to answer questions about this word problem. Okay, so the first question we're going to answer is, who is this word problem about? So think about that. Who is it about as I read this word problem? Here I go. Peter had 6 candy bars. He and his 3 friends shared the candy bars together equally. How much did each person get? Okay, so who is this word problem about? If you said it's about Peter, you're absolutely. It's about Peter and his friends. Okay, so now I'm going to read it again. And this time we're going to think about what's happening with Peter and his friends. Okay? So here I go. Peter had 6 candy bars. He and his 3 friends shared the candy bars together equally. How much did each person get? So, this question is, what's happening with Peter? Well, Peter has candy bars that he wants to share equally with his 3 friends. That's what's happening with Peter. Okay, so I'm going to read it again. And the next question is, what are you trying to find out? What is the missing information? Okay, here we go. Peter had 6 candy bars. He and his 3 friends shared the candy bars together equally. How much did each person get? So what were we trying to find out? Okay, so I'm going to underline the question. Go ahead and underline the question. We're trying to find out how much Peter and his 3 friends get. Each person, how much do they get from the candy bars? Okay, next question. What does this 6 mean? I'm going to read it again. Peter had 6 candy bars. He and his 3 friends shared the candy bars together equally. How much did each person get? So what does this 6 mean? Okay, 6 is total candy bars. That's the total. All the candy bars together. Okay. After you write that, now let's look at the 3. What does the 3 mean? Okay. Peter had 6 candy bars. He and his 3 friends shared the candy bars together equally. So he had 3 friends. But, lovies, if he's going to share the candy bars, that means that there's 4 people who are going to share the candy bars. So here we go. I'm going to draw the 4 people. 2, 3, 4. Here's Peter. Here's his friend. Here's another friend. little ponytails or little pigtails, right? And here's another friend. Okay, so this is Peter. This is his friends right here. Okay? So, here's the three friends, and there's Peter. And they're going to share the candy bars. Okay, so here's the candy bars. I'm going to draw them, 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the 6 candy bars. 6 candy bars. Now, lovies, you have to cut the candy bars. Okay? Or distribute the candy bars. Partition them to see how many each person gets. And then right here, they each got how many pieces. Write that down here. Okay? So, we know Peter probably gets this one. Peter. And then friend 1 gets this one. And then friend 2 gets this one. Friend 3 gets this one. Now, buddy, what's going to happen to this one? We have to divide the candy bars, and this one, how do we divide this one so that each person gets the same amount? Okay? So this one goes to Peter. This one goes to friend 1, right? So Peter, friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. But what about this one? You guys have to figure out how this one is going to be cut so that each person gets the same amount. And then write the total amount here, okay? All right. All right, bye, bunnies.